Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with a quick video of the freighter Burns Harbor. So we're gonna follow Burns Harbor as she goes up the river. A day late and $1 short. First ship of 2023, and Ghost Wolf misses her. Well, better luck next time. She's from the American Steamship Company and is 1,004 feet long. She has 2 controllable pitch propellers. And that's about all I know about the Burns Harbor. She's a self-unloading bulk carrier as well. Well, tubers, thank you much. Have a good day. Goodbye, and enjoy this video of the freighter Burns Harbor. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Who knows what I'll come up with next. Bye.